Module 6. Evaluating Internal Controls and Control Effectiveness. Course Overview Module 6 focuses on the evaluation of internal controls and their effectiveness in mitigating risks, ensuring financial accuracy, and enhancing operational efficiency. Evaluating controls is a critical step in the internal audit process, bridging the gap between audit planning and reporting. You will learn advanced methodologies, assessment criteria, and practical approaches for testing and analyzing internal controls, determining whether they are adequately designed, implemented, and functioning as intended. 2. Definition and purpose. Evaluation of internal controls is defined as a systematic process of reviewing, testing, and analyzing internal controls to determine their efficiency, effectiveness, reliability, and alignment with organizational objectives. Purpose of control evaluation. Verify that controls effectively mitigate identified risks. Ensure accuracy and reliability of financial reporting. Identify weaknesses, gaps, or redundancies in the control system. Provide management with actionable recommendations for improvement. Enhance organizational governance, compliance, and operational efficiency. Control evaluation ensures that financial and operational activities are both secure and effective, reducing the likelihood of fraud, errors, or regulatory breaches. 3. Key concepts in control evaluation. A. Design effectiveness assesses whether controls are appropriately structured to prevent or detect risks. Questions to consider. Are controls comprehensive? Do they address identified risks? Are they feasible and practical? B. Operational effectiveness evaluates whether controls function as intended in day-to-day operations, includes observation, testing, and verification of control execution. Determines if deviations or failures occur in practice. Control gaps areas where no control exists or existing controls are insufficient or inadequate. May result from organizational changes, system updates, or policy lapses. D. Redundant or inefficient controls. Overlapping controls can increase operational costs without adding value. Evaluation ensures optimization and efficiency of control systems. 4. Steps in evaluating internal controls. Step 1. Define evaluation objectives. Determine the scope, purpose, and criteria for evaluation. Example: verify compliance with internal policies or regulatory requirements. Step 2. Identify key controls. Focus on critical financial and operational processes. Examples: cash management, procurement, inventory, payroll, IT access, reporting. Step 3. Gather evidence. Use inspection, observation, inquiry, confirmation, and analytical review. Examine supporting documents, system logs, reconciliations, and reports. Step 4. Test controls. Apply control testing techniques to assess operational performance. Types of testing. Walkthroughs. Trace a transaction through the process. Sampling. Select representative transactions for review. Analytical procedures. Compare trends, ratios, and variances. Step 5. Assess control strengths and weaknesses. Determine effectiveness, reliability, and sufficiency of each control. Categorize findings: strong, acceptable, needs improvement, or ineffective. 5. Tools and techniques for control evaluation. Control matrices. Map risks to controls and assess coverage. Risk assessment tools. Identify high-risk areas requiring focused testing. Data analytics and automated testing. Detect anomalies, trends, or control failures. Internal audit checklists. Standardized guides for consistent evaluation. Key control indicators, KCIS. Metrics to monitor ongoing control effectiveness. 6. Common issues in control evaluation. Insufficient documentation or evidence. Management or staff resistance to evaluation procedures. Complex, outdated, or fragmented processes. Over-reliance on manual controls instead of automated systems. Misalignment between controls and organizational objectives. Addressing these issues requires clear communication, professional judgment, and ongoing monitoring. 7. Integration with internal audits. Internal audits rely on control evaluation results to focus audit efforts on high-risk areas. Findings from control evaluations inform audit scope, testing methodology, and reporting. Control evaluation results are crucial for risk-based audits and continuous improvement. 8. Benefits of control evaluation. Enhanced financial accuracy and reliability. Early detection and mitigation of fraud and operational risks. Improved regulatory compliance and governance. Optimization of resource allocation and operational efficiency. Strengthened internal audit function and organizational resilience. 9. Emerging trends in control evaluation automation and AI-driven testing for real-time control monitoring. Continuous control monitoring through dashboards and KPIs. Integration with enterprise risk management frameworks. Data-driven analytics to evaluate trends, anomalies, and deviations. These trends ensure that control evaluations are proactive, predictive, and aligned with strategic goals. 10. Summary. Module 6 equips you with advanced knowledge and practical skills in evaluating internal controls. By the end of this module, you will be able to assess the design and operational effectiveness of internal controls, identify control gaps, redundancies, and weaknesses, apply testing methodologies and analytical techniques for control evaluation, integrate control evaluation findings into audit planning and organizational governance, recommend improvements to strengthen financial and operational controls,